Yeah, I think somebody else just coughed at me, some guy, like from across the street. I mean, that happens frequently. That happens like several times throughout the day. You know, someone will see me and they will just harass me from the other side of the street. It's more men than women, really. It really tends to be more men than women, but it's just totally vicious behavior from total strangers. You know, who I don't really know what their motivation is. I don't know if they're having a bad day, they want to take it out on somebody else, or they're just the type of men who like to dominate women, or they want to molest children and they think that like I'm just like getting in their way, or whatever it is. But it's disgusting.